Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the background feature in CapCut. Sometimes we might not like the background of our original video. For example, please take a look at the video on my timeline. The background is not so good and we want to change it. Luckily, CapCut offers a feature that allows us to change the background to anything we like. First, let's take a look at the video on my timeline. Let's type to view.
In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the separate audio feature.
As you can see, it has a pure green background. Now, using the knowledge from our previous lesson, we will remove this background now. To do this, we will use the chroma key tool. Let me demonstrate it quickly. There we go, the background is removed. Now let's explore the background feature. From the main edit panel, find the next option called background. Type on it. CapCut offers 4 options to change the background: color, image, blur, and blend background. We will focus on the first 3 options since they are the most commonly used. Let's skip the blend background. First, let's try the color option. Type on it. This feature lets us select a pure color as the background. You can pick any color you like. For example, let's choose purple. Type on the purple option, and you will see the background change instantly. If you look at the bottom left corner, there is a Apply to All button. This is useful if you have multiple clips. For example, you have 5 clips on your timeline. Tapping this button will apply the pure background to all of them. Now let's undo that and move to image feature. You can add a background using images provided by CapCut or your own images. To use CapCut's image, scroll down the options. If you want to use your own image, tap the second button to access your device image. Let's choose one from my device. I will pick the separate image. As soon as I tap on it, the image becomes the background. Next, let's check out the blur option. This feature uses the frame where your playhead is positioned and applies a blur effect to it. For example, I will drag the playhead to a specific frame. CapCut provides 4 blur intensity options. Let's choose the third one. You can see the blur effect is applied immediately. Let's play the video to view the result.
In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the separate audio feature.
It's subtle but noticeable. If we adjust the position of the character in the frame, the effect becomes clearer.
In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the separate audio feature.
The frame is blurred and used as the background. That's all for today's lesson. This feature is especially useful for talking head videos where the presenter speaks directly to the camera. If you don't like the background, you can easily change it, enhancing the overall look of your video content. As practice, I have attached a green screen video and an image. Please download it and use the method we learned to remove the background and replace it with the attached image. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.